hauling some of this wood back to the home, away from home. A few loads here and there. Like slightly on this rack, leaning the other way. Should compensate. Wish I had a dang floor on the back of this thing. There's always stuff to do. Work never stops. We'll see if those actually ride or if they fall out. Rack probably hold more. I just don't want to take a chance screwing something up out here and then not being able to fix it. All that's got to be loaded up the front of the truck. Plan is to take all this and blow it, rake it, whatever, rocks out, make rock piles around the edges, and I got a bunch of grass seed to put in here. And then the deer might come up in here, they should. Point down there, I'll put me a feeder and a bait station there. There's a bunch of deer here, so a little deer feeder. I'm gonna put a mineral lick there. They love the minerals, man, out here, they just lack it. So cow block, they'll literally eat the crap out of it. Put a little molasses on it for them to find it, and they'll be coming from all over the place out here. And my trail's right here going down that way and then back up that way. But I'm not gonna put any corn or nothing down. Squirrels and coons eat it. And this time of year, I don't have the money to be feeding them. Such a pretty boy. He's a pretty boy. Yeah, mama? Where's it go? Go get mama. Where's it, mama? There's a mama. Yeah, it's a beast. Should work. Should be able to let loose.
Pretty good.
See what you think, huh?
How do you feel? It's done. It's starting to look like something.
It's gonna be a little bit of overkill. What makes it neat, you know? So yeah, those things are freaking I'll put my level as good as I can. Like that one there, I got it centered really good. This one, if you look, you can't really go off that tree behind it because that tree's kind of, so you gotta kind of just, like if I was to go level on that one, it looked really weird. So I had to kind of jerk it back a little bit. I moved it to this way. No, I have not got into the hammock. No, I haven't got into the hammock. Didn't get to do that. I wish.
Huh?
I said I probably would have if it hadn't been for the electrical guys coming. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, you won't be able to do anything in the morning.
Yeah, I've got to leave
Just
here.
leave.
Cleaning the pipes.
Well, this right here, I don't have any of those pushed over. I can't really, only thing I can do is measure these out to make sure they're exactly 12 foot.
Well, I was just saying I could help you move stuff if you needed me to help.
Well, you can grab one and put it over there, and then I'll put this one over there. Ow!
I missed you. Don't even.
Did you ever check them to see if they were warped?
I did.
Okay.
He's like, yeah, I'll get you a better one.
Yeah. Oh, he seemed all right. I'm just checking to see.
He liked you though.
Did he?
You put an impression on.
Yeah. Really?
Side's level. Look.
No. Yeah, okay. Sadly, it's a little off in the middle, isn't it? Yeah. Pick that board up straight. You see how there's a little bit there? But yeah, you can see this one's got to go, it goes at an angle. This got to go way down. Yeah, you can just lay it next to it.
I just want to help as much as I can.
Yeah, well, this is one of those things to where I can get lost. I need to like be very...
Without me?
Probably. Probably because I just gotta be very precise about everything and remember 3 or 4 things at one time when I'm doing it. Because if I move over there and I don't move here, and there's just a lot going on with everything. And I know exactly what's going on. Be careful with those elbow pieces, they might break. We know that's bad. Crap wood. Yeah, I'd say.
Pull.
I'm afraid yeah. We gotta get a fire going tonight. So we're trying to clean out our pipes good.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Toilet brush is working, yes?
Yeah.
If it is, it is. But I figured it would work. It's pretty heavy though. Oh yeah, look at that. How much that cost? $1?
Yep.
It's the majority of it out. And you're gonna have to use something else to push it through, I think. Be safe, people. I've had a chimney fire years ago in a house that I built, and it was not cool. Burnt plastic. You hear that? I burnt plastic.
You got it started fast.
I'll bet he burns plastic. It was on my short. Remember that?
Yeah.
Yep.
It does burn
I
plastic.
do burn plastic. It's a good fire starter every now and then.
In a fire pit,
Yes.
not a stove.
And I don't stand around huffing it. But should I burn plastic? Probably not. I wonder what's in those fire starters though.
Yeah.
You know? We're getting the fire started, guys. You a little nippy tonight. I'm cheating, yes, I'm using fire starter cubes. Got us a candle and a little heater. When I'm running the generator, I just get this thing going to take out the moisture in the tent a little bit. It helps. Because if I'm running the generator and I'm not utilizing everything, what's the point? I need to utilize as much energy off that as if it's running. And it's like 53 degrees, 54 in here. We'll warm it up tonight. It's supposed to be like 27 degrees tonight. There she goes, come on. Bread and rolls. Night 8. And cooking up some fettuccine alfredo. Chicken, right?
Yep. It's just a hamburger elbow meal.
Yeah.
but I used a can of chicken and a jar of milk.
Awesome.